In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link in bio page in beehiiv. If you want a simple page that brings all of your important links together in one place, beehiiv makes that process very straightforward. A link in bio page is especially useful if you want to guide people from social media to your newsletter, website, products, or any other key destinations. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can set it up quickly and customize it to match your brand. To get started, log into your beehiiv account and look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click Website. This will take you to the part of beehiiv where you can manage the pages and design elements connected to your publication's site. Once you're on the website section, go to the top right corner and click Edit Website. This opens the website editor, which is where you'll be able to create and customize your link in bio page. Now in the left-hand pane inside the editor, click Pages. This section shows you the pages that currently exist on your site and gives you the option to add new ones. It's the main area you'll use whenever you want to expand your site with extra pages. Next, look through the page list and click Add Page. When the options appear, go to the Link in Bio section. This is where beehiiv provides page types specifically designed for a compact, easy-to-navigate link hub. It helps you create something clean and mobile-friendly without having to build everything from scratch. At this point, choose whether you want to use a template or start from a blank page. If you want a quicker setup, a template is a great option because it gives you a pre-built layout that you can adjust. If you prefer complete control over the look and structure, starting from blank may be the better choice. After the page has been created, open the link in bio page you just added and begin editing it. Replace the default content with your own details, add the links you want visitors to click, and make any design changes you need. This is the stage where you can fine-tune the appearance so it feels consistent with your brand, whether that means updating text, adjusting layout elements, or refining the overall style. Once you're happy with the page, your link in bio setup is essentially complete, and that's all there is to it.